Okay, so let's get started about exploring LinkedIn, or I would say dive deep on LinkedIn. So there are a lot of features which are available, but generally sometimes we might not be aware of it or we might not be using it. And also sometimes I do see people reaching out to me and to check for some of the suggestions on the LinkedIn. So the reason I thought covering this would be really helpful because first of all, LinkedIn has a huge data and also given a lot of features for free of cost, which are kind of means maybe we did not explore. So let's start exploring those. What are those hidden features, and how we can use those. So first I go. So in case if you have any of the doubt, please unmute yourself. And if you wanted to talk out something, some additional benefits of this, please unmute yourself and talk it out. So as soon as we click on search, we have something: people, jobs, content, company, school, groups, and events. So generally what we do is like we might only search for people. Okay, that's it, what we give a search, and we might go with the location. And whatever the result we get, we'll see whoever is there in our first degree or second degree, and accordingly either we connect with them or we just try to. So let's say first degree. So if someone is in first degree, then I just go and message and try to initiate my discussion with them. Okay, so let me just clear. Similarly, most of the times we miss on using these all filters. So now when I use this all filters, I don't really have to start the search from here. Instead, I just go people and apply all filters. So did we explore these many filters ever? And which are available for free. We don't need a paid license. And most of the important stuff which are actually required are being getting covered over here. So let's see, software engineer or developer. Schools we can give one by one. Which are the schools you're just trying to target? So which are the locations we can give. It's just not the Bangalore, but as these most of the companies are in India, so I'm giving a Bangalore, and we have chosen Indian institutes. So the best thing, if you want to see uh, some of the Indians based out of Malaysia or Singapore and wanted to come back to India, you give a search with school and put a location, Singapore. So you get the profiles from India, Indians based out of Singapore. Sometimes you might come across, in case if you're doing a sourcing every day, sometimes you might come across such kind of a situation. So that time you think about using this kind of a platform. Okay, I would say current companies I have, or I would say past companies. Okay, industry I can give, profile language also I can give. If I'm searching profiles in Germany or some of the French countries or some of the European countries, that time I go with French, German, or Portuguese language, such kind of things. So what we have given here, over here we have used the in title. We have not given anything over here. Services we have not given. In case if you're searching for management consulting, guys, this is really a good platform to take a services from here. Okay, let's apply. So we get 117 results. And all are from premium colleges which we have chosen and from the top product companies which we have chosen. Now I say connections, first degree connections. Okay. So as if we see on software engineers profile open for uh, open network profile, then most likely they are searching for a job, or they are the premium member just to search for a job. Then again we go. See here, he's kind of open for jobs.
Yeah, Shiva, so this icon, what you're talking about, does it take from the field? At times in LinkedIn, in our profile, we can do it, right? That only the recruiters will to view and others will not. So does it, is that the one which is related to this icon particularly?
See, one is like one we mention open network profile, and the other is someone is like upgrading it to the premium uh,
either one of it.
Premium services. Yeah, either for searching for a job or either for looking for a talent. So that's where this logo comes in. There is no way that we can search with this logo, but yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's one. And now I say, let's say connections off. So whoever is in my first degree connection and common with Sanchari, these people might come here, or he's in my first degree connection. Okay, so not many people in a first degree connection who are matching the additional filters also, means from this particular school or XYZ. But if I have to give another search, okay, so I know he's a software engineer at Microsoft and he would have a great network. I just go people, all filters, connections off. Or you can see, in case if you're working, just pick up some of the software engineers from your own company or engineering managers or uh, maybe hiring managers. Just pick up their name, first add them in a connection, and if you want to search in their network, then this is the way that we search in their network, so that we get more likewise people. So here most of them are recruiters, so he's connected to a lot of recruiter, and even I connected to a lot of recruiter. So let me just go for again all filters. Over here, I just need a software engineers. So as LinkedIn has restricted to give a limited keywords over here, so that's the reason we are not giving any keywords. Instead of we are using the additional features. So LinkedIn has restricted to give more number of keywords here, but LinkedIn has not restricted us to use additional features. So these are all the profiles, 210 profiles who are in the second degree connection to me, but I can still view them, and are in a first degree connection to Rohit Bharadwaj. And if you see most of the relevant profiles, and some of the recruiters, okay, like Ashwin, they are in my first degree connection. So what this behavior is showing, first of all, it's showing me the most relevant profile. Second, also I see some of the connections, some of my connections are common to these people who are in the second degree to me, but in a first degree to Rohit. And also these are the people who are directly connected with me. So if I see some of the top recruiters from various product companies or from my competitor company, they are also in a common connection. That means this guy is exploring an opportunity with such kind of a companies and trying to use a passive way of sourcing of finding a job. So he is also a recruiter at Google, and this guy is currently working at JP. So Ashwin and me are in a first degree connect, but this guy is common to both of us. So what does it mean? So he's recruiting at Facebook. So he's trying to target some of the top premium companies, and passively he's trying to source for search jobs. Tech recruiter at Cooper, PSI, India largest. So 400 shared connections. So I just need to understand what these 400 shared connections are from. Okay, so most of them are a recruiter at she is a recruiter at HackerEarth, I guess, HackerEarth or HackerRank. Then Travelogue, recruiter at Microsoft, Myntra, then engineering leader, senior executive. He is also at Uber. So what he's trying to do, he's trying to connect the recruiters at my competitors or at the top product companies, and trying to connect with them passively to check in case if they can consider his profile. And he's currently working at Postman. So first approach, what we have done, we have gone here, we have given we have used all the filters, we have given some top premium companies, then we have given top premium institutes. It depends on what kind of a thing what you are searching for. Then from here we have given a title. We are not given a single word over here. After giving these many things from the location, we got some of the results. Then we pick one or the other people who are with this particular logo. That means they're most likely exploring opportunities. Then as I see, this person is in my first degree connection. That's where I went and created an additional search. Again, used all filters. Now we have not given any additional companies or any additional institutes. We just gave a person name and only the title, so that we get most relevant profile. And if you see, this person is in connect with most relevant profiles of top product companies. And if it's connected with from here, I'm also seeing which are the manual connection between he and me. Are those manual connection are more number of recruiters? If that is the case, then it's more evident that the person is hunting for such kind of a companies and is open for the opportunities. Any questions till here? Very simple.
No, it's good, Shiva. I'm good.
Okay. So that's where most of the times, not really sure how many people over here has used all the filters, or at least aware of, and didn't used. Yeah, Aishwarya, Chaitra, Jay, Karthik, for everyone, please.
Hi Shiva. I
Haven't used everything.
Yeah, Jay. Yeah, Karthik.
Yeah, I've used many of them. But one thing is it gets exhausted, I think, within the first 15 or 20 days during our search.
Yeah, but the approach should not stop. We can keep on using a different approaches.
Yeah.
But yes, we
True.
get.
Yeah.
So this is the one.
Sure, Shiva.
Okay, all filters. Now coming back to, so that's all about the people. It's simple. We are using all the filter, then we are seeing some of the premium profiles, then we are seeing connections of those premium profiles and trying to create the searches. All I want to say is all filter, don't miss it, available for free, and do not tell when it will be available. It's just that we need to use a little bit of smartness to get the right things, right profiles. Okay.
Yeah.
And then connections of connections. Now, anyone use this content? What is this content search? So content search, if you see, this is the content. Okay. There is no way. So if I just go to my LinkedIn field, I see the content over here, and there is no way to X-ray that particular content because it's coming in my LinkedIn feeds. I can X-ray for some of the post, but if I wanted to X-ray something like this, certified, and here I get the list of people who are Salesforce certified.
Wow.
How do you do?
Nothing, just come to home. If you want to see the certified people, certified Salesforce, or whichever the technology you wanted to give, cloud certified, AWS certified. Okay, after getting the result, search for the content, and then we have a list of sort by relevance and sort by latest. So always go with the sort by relevance because it sorts by our location first, and then that's how it keeps increasing. Okay, then we have all the Salesforce certified guys. So there is no way to X-ray this kind of a content because first of all, it's coming on individual profile. From the individual profile, they are posting in their own post, and that URL pattern entirely messes up. I really can't X-ray to get these kind of results. So this URL kind of a pattern, I really cannot. Now this is his activity. So LinkedIn feed, update, URL, LI, activity. No, there is no way that I can X-ray this part because this is again the number which changes. I can't. Let me see in case if it takes. Okay, we got only 3 results. But again, that feed pattern URL. Okay, about 31,000 results. Okay, now see. Certified. So, as we give additional keywords, Salesforce certified, it goes to 0. It goes to 0. Maybe till here I can get it. Maybe I'll have to repeat once. But after this, whatever the keyword I'm adding, maybe let me add before. Just the one, but that's again not sure what kind of result it is. So there's no proper way to x-ray that kind of a part. So instead I just go with content search. AWS certified, guys. So not just the certification, we can actually do for what kind of a content we want. But while I was hiring in my previous organization for Salesforce, and the business demand was only to get those Salesforce certified people. And in LinkedIn Recruiter also, I did not have that option. Maybe I had an option, but what happens is these people, okay, now if I go to his profile, so the challenge was maybe they are certified, but they were not mentioning in the additional certifications. Unless they mention in the additional certification, I would not have a way use a LinkedIn Recruiter and get this Salesforce certification. And I've seen number of people who has a certification, who has published on Google, but they have not mentioned under the license and certifications. And that's where I was missing those results. Okay, that's about the content. Any questions? It will get disconnected in next 10 minutes. We'll have to rejoin again. Any questions till here? Looking for. Job seeking, job opportunities in the content. Okay, and next, okay, we see companies, we see jobs, we see schools, groups, events. Okay, groups also similarly, we can explore. These are all the list of groups. What are the keywords we are searching, and then search for the groups. Then we have a list of groups. So Java developers in Bangalore, Bangalore.NET developers, iOS developers. If you want to do some of the posting, then just try to be the member of those groups and post it so that you get most relevant result, and you're targeting the most, your target is like more accurate. Then what are the related groups and all? 300, how many people are located within the Bangalore from the entire number of 568? This many 300 members are located in Bangalore. followed hashtags. What are the hashtags we're creating or following? So here we can see the list of groups, what we are the member of. Okay, and while we create a search for a job, there is something called job alert on and off. But at the same time, while we search for a profile, we do not have anything. Okay, so here we are coming. So while we search for a job, we have something called search a job alert, so that as soon as some particular job is posted and which is matching our search criteria, we're getting a notification. But while we search for people, we do not have that search alert. In that case, what we do? So yeah, okay, so here I got a number of scientists who are working at Adobe and based out of Bangalore. But what if some additional candidates are coming in, and if I wanted to get that notification? So we just go Google Alerts, create an alert for. These are the previous alerts which I've created for companies laying off or firing due to this pandemic. So these are the kind of results. Here the preview available at most once a day as it happens, and create alert. So if some new candidates matching this search criteria, let's suppose there are people who are working in Microsoft other companies, okay, but now it's not appearing in my search. But now today they join Adobe as a scientist. I wanted to catch those people, new people, and that's where we just go and create a search alert. We just give a X-ray search and create a search alert. So who are the people matching this search criteria? Okay, it will come either in my updates or primary inbox. So let me show you. So this is the Google Alerts earlier which I've created to track companies laying off. So this was the alert in URL news, India companies, employer, employees, firing, layoff, laid off, terminated, termination, pay cut, pink slips. And then I just keep on getting this kind of alerts. So as it happens, every day I keep on getting the alerts, and in case if I see some of the companies which are my competitors, I just go immediately and target those companies. So this is the easiest way. Otherwise, in my official version of it, I've created the alert on feeds, RSS feeds. For creating the alerts on RSS feed, we'll have a separate session. But otherwise, Google Alerts works better than RSS. Okay, so that's how. If I wanted to get the notification of profile getting updated and matching my search criteria, then that's where I just go and create a search alert for that. Okay, so now we are coming back. So we covered searching for people, searching for content, school, companies, groups, events. Okay, event, something new. I don't know what is it. Is there anyone who has explored this? So this is giving me the
No, Shiva.
events. Yeah.
No, this is the first time that I saw this.
I didn't get you.
This is the first time that I saw this. This is helpful.
Yeah. So even I never seen, but today while exploring to take this session, that time I've seen. Then I just thought, okay, fine, let me explore it live only. So what does this event is doing? Saturday 20th. Okay, it's sorting by a date as well. Recent events. There's a drop down. Okay, we are searching with the event school. Yeah. So let's for Alexa. Okay, so there were a couple of events, online event, Bangalore. Okay, let's see what events happening in Bangalore, if there are any
So
events.
can we also check the number of those attendees?
That's what I'm just trying to see. So we just give Bangalore and we give events, MS Ramaya Institute. Okay, direct admissions. Let's practice storytelling with data science. This might be useful. Let's open this. So a lot of admission events are going on, online events.